In this video today, we will see how you can install a WordPress inside the Amazon Lightsail. In that case, you need to create an Amazon account first, and when you first create the account, you will get a trial where you can use Lightsail for free for the first 3 months. Now you can see that I am inside the Lightsail control panel of Amazon, and here you can see that there are quite a lot of country flags. Actually, basically these country flags are IP indicators, which means the country you want to get the IP or the country from which you want to get the virtual PC. From here you will select that country first, then you will get the IP of that country, then you have to click on the application you want to work with and select it. Today I will only show you how to install WordPress, so we are selecting WordPress here. In this case, you can select WordPress in 2 ways, a single WordPress and a multi-WordPress today. I will show a single WordPress install here. After clicking on WordPress and scrolling down, we can see where we are shown a price list and what the system configurations will be. So in that case, since we are making this for a tutorial, we can either or selecting a basic virtual machine for our work, and we need to name it later. So in that case, I give a name that I like. In this case, you can name the website that you will work with, and you will try to have the highest configuration system. So in that case, your website performance will be much better. Then you will click on Create Instance from here, and in that case, after clicking on Instance, it will take some time for it to be created. In that case, you have to wait patiently until it is created. Viewers, you can now see that our WordPress hosting machine is still pending, and if we go into it, we can see how many IPs it has got, and the machine status is very nice here. So let's wait a bit and see the machine start. What happens later? Here you can see the IP address through which we will access the WordPress after hosting it, and also see the different types of user credentials, and also we can see the information that is required with this hosting. After installation, you can perform various functions, although we won't need anything other than just our IP to access it. Since its password won't show anywhere here, we'll have to figure it out in a different way. So viewers, now it's time to check if our WordPress hosting machine is up, and if it is up, let's see if we can access it. Then let's get started. So viewers, we can now see that our WordPress installation machine has started, and from here we will click on Console and open from Console, and through the IP address given here we will try to see if our WordPress is running. If the word page is running properly, then you can see that a WordPress website can be seen on this IP. Viewers, you can now see that after hitting the IP we got through the virtual machine, we see a WordPress website, which is actually the WordPress website we installed through our Amazon Lightsail system. So we have finished installing WordPress. Now we will see how to manage this WordPress or enter its admin panel and customize it from there. So we can see next here we need to use an extension called WP_admin to enter WordPress Amazon Lightsail after the IP address from the Sail virtual system, and then the login option. So let us now see how we can log in this login option, or where we can get this user ID password. Now I will show you the details. We can find its user ID very easily, but to find out the password we need console help from the control panel. Viewers, you can see here we have found the user ID, and that is the user, and now it is our turn to find the password. So to find the password, we have to go to the console and see how we can find the password carefully. Here you have to type a code to get the password. You can see this code by pausing the screen or pausing the video, because it is not possible to write this code here. After writing this code here, you can get the password from here. You are very good. Please note that exactly the way I have completed the work, you can complete all these tasks very easily. We will now copy the password from here and try to log into our newly installed WordPress. So let's see if I log in. Viewers, you can see how easily we can install WordPress on our own server through Amazon's Lightsail. So, if you think that without buying any hosting, You can make a website of Amazon's Lightsail through a virtual machine. In that case, if you want to do it through WordPress, then you can do it very easily like this. I can guarantee that your website performance will be much better with a website like this.